you're telling me you're not going to give me your name so I know I'm dealing with a real human being instead of a bureaucracy? And he refused to give it to me. I hung up on him. But the story is this. I was the first one in the United States to tell the FBI that they've got a major problem with anthrax. Something is despicable, and what I would urge everyone to do is get the last couple copies of, and tonight as we release this, in the next probably half an hour, we'll release an article called Death Threat Exposed Bush Family Deficit, linked to Judge Roll murder and CIA Black Ops. Sherry Kane and I have been targeted for assassinations. That's why I'm concerned about the conspiracy conference this weekend. I'm still going. I'm committed to bring out this truth. Brian Hall has been alerted. He's been beefing up security. We're asking for people to pray for us, and we're asking people also in the last couple emails to fire into the Justice Department, the internal affairs, the investigation within the FBI that needs to look at what is happening in our Justice Department that is even associated with the training of terrorists in the United States, such as this satanic killer, Launer, who has and shot up about 15, 16 other people. So, are you concerned about yourself? George, you know, I love life, and I'm so pleased. So don't think if anybody is listening out there has had experiences like I, where there is no reasonable explanation for me to be alive. You know, when you go into this accident, I did a whole such as Gunderson, and I couldn't believe it what she was uncovering. You know, we're going to have to give you on now, please. Well, let's do it. Let's have a debate like we're going to have on Sunday at Papas. All right. Next up, we go to Eugene, Oregon. Noel. Noel, go ahead. First time caller. Hi, Noel.
Well, thank you, and thank you so much for taking me on the air. And Dr. Burris, God bless you. I was going to validating some things with you and some information that I asked you a question. Number one, many years ago, I was on the Art Bell show, and one of the things I was concerned about when I was working for the DATF, there was a private lab which was on the assignment between Berkeley and San Francisco, the Navy base right there. There was a private lab, and the thing that they were asking me to do as a board officer was to sanitize some of the records, so they were actually planning stuff that was probably comparable to some people. And because my relatives that worked with the Department of Treasury, I have a very famous uncle who's a Hollywood movie star. I told him and I said, look, I'm in the military, I'm very scared, I'm a single mother, what do I do? And he said, get the hell out of Dodge, because they said, your life is in danger with what you know. Well, later on, in my military duties, I was a waterman army for the city of San Francisco. And I learned how they would like to have us to say, right next to Waterman Army Hospital, outside the back of dining room facility, and many of you who've been stationed at Waterman know what I'm talking about. There was a lab. They were doing experimentations at this lab. One day, without my knowing what this lab, I had